So now we are going to learn about calendar. It's a bonus video. By this you can find any day for any date. For an example, 23rd June 1969 or 23rd March 1910 or from the 18th or from the 20s. You can find the day for any date. Okay, it's a trick. If you are going to learn this, you are going to find this in a very easy manner. First of all, I have categorized the numbers from January to December. It's like 144, 025, 036, 146. What it means for January, I have put the day, I have put the number 1. For February, I have put the number 4. For March, 4. April, 0. May, 2. June, 5. July, 0. August, 3. September, 6. October, 1. November, 4. December, 6. For an example, someone tell me like what is the number for August. I'm going to find like 3. What is the number for December? It's 6. What is the number for March? It's 4. What is the number for April? It's 0. Okay. Second, this was the first. This is the second. We have to remember if the numbers, if the date is in 90s. For an example, if it is in 1950 or 1960 or 1910 or it is 1908 or it is 1999, and then at that we are going to put 0. We are going to add 0. In the further slide, I'm going to tell you how we are going to do it. First of all, you learn this. 90 0, 20s is 6, like 2001, 2002 or 2019, 2050. Okay, we are going to put 6. Similarly for 18s, like 1850, 1810, 1888, it's going to get 2. For 17, 1769 or 1708 or 1709 or 1799, okay, it's going to get 4. Similarly for 20 was like 21st century, okay, it's going to get 4. For 22nd century, like 2201, it's going to get 2. Okay, this is the number which I'm going to learn. Okay, fine. This was the second. And third, this is, see, for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I have put the numbers. It starts from 0 and end to 6. For Saturday, I have assigned the number 0, and for Friday, I have assigned the number 6. It's continued like this. For Saturday, it's 0, Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6. Okay, this was something which you have to learn. Now I will show you direct from the example. You are going to get it clear by that. Like I'm going to take any number, like if you are going to take 26 January 1994 for an example. Okay, 26 January 1994. You have to find out the day for this date. What you are going to do? First of all, you have to put this number, this 26, this date, like this. Second, for January, I have told you what is the number for January. It is 1. Put 1. Plus, I have told you for 90s century, for 90s, what is the number? It's 0. Put 0. Okay. Now put 94. This 2 digit, you have to put it like this. Okay. Now divide this 94, this 2 digit, by 4. Okay, 94 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8, 1 4, 4 3 is 12. This 23, I have divided 94 by 4. I got this 23. I will put it out here and divide this whole number by 7. Okay, now I will write it here. See, if I divide 26 by 7, what I got? 7 3s are 21, plus 5 is 26, so 5, plus 1, plus 0. I can't do anything with 0. It's 0. And if I do divide 94 by 7, it's like this. 94 by 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay, I'm going to get 3. Fine. Fine. This 3, I'm going to write it here. Okay. Similarly for 23, 7 3s are 21 and 2, it's the remainder. We are going to here. What is these number? These are the remainders. When you divide the number when you divide the number, you get these as a remainder, like 7 3s are 21. I got remainder of 5, 5, 1, I got 1. For 94, I got remainder as 3. For 23, I got remainder of 2. Divide by 7. Fine. Now add these number. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 it's 9, 9 plus 2 it's 11. Divide by 7, and what we get? 4. As a remainder, as a like we cancel out this, we got 4 as a remainder. We got 4 as a remainder. And what is the value of 4? What is the value of 4? It's Wednesday. What it means? It means the day at 26 January 1994 was Wednesday. You can check it on your calendar. You will get this. Okay, this was the method. What I did, I write it like 26 for January. I see this chart, so it's 1. And for 90s it's 0. I write it 0. For 94 I put it down like 94 plus 23. How I get 23? I got like I divide 94 by 4. I got this 23, so I write it down at 23. I divide it by 7. I put out the remainder for this whole numbers. Okay, 5 1 3 2. I add them and divide by 7 again. I got 4 as a remainder, and that value of 4 is Wednesday. And in this way I got like 26 1994 is Wednesday. I hope you understand this. It was not a difficult thing. If you go through this method again, like if you check this video 1 or 2 times, you are going to learn this. And if you are going to learn this, you are going to apply this. So thank you.